In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search an Excel sheet. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to find tools, functions, and even help, without hunting through every tab on the ribbon. First, look to the very top of your Excel window for the search bar. You'll see a magnifying glass icon and a field that simply says, Search. Click directly in that bar. As soon as you do, Excel wakes up its smart suggestions. These are context-aware, so if your cursor is inside a table or a range of numbers, you might see options like Sum, Average, Sort, or Format as Table. Think of this like a quick launch menu for common actions you probably need right now. Those suggestions aren't random. They're based on what people often do next in similar situations and what you've used recently. If one of the suggested functions or commands matches what you're trying to do, just select it. Excel will either run that action immediately or take you straight to the right command in the ribbon, saving you from digging around for it. This is especially handy when you're on a deadline or working in a new version of Excel where the layout feels unfamiliar. If none of the suggestions fit, you can type exactly what you want in the search bar. Use plain language or the specific term you have in mind. For example, try typing Format as Table, Freeze Panes, Conditional Formatting, Pivot Table, or a function name like XLOOKUP or SUMIF. As you type, Excel updates the results live. You'll see matching commands, help topics, and sometimes direct actions you can run right away. Read the short description under each result to understand what it will do before you click. A few quick tips while you type. Be specific with your keywords. Adding a word like column, date, or duplicates can narrow results and get you the exact tool faster. If you're searching for a function, choosing it from the list often opens the function dialog, making it easier to enter arguments correctly. And if the top result looks perfect, press Enter to run it immediately. You can also use the arrow keys to preview and move through the list before you commit. That's all there is to it. Click the search bar at the top. Use the suggested functions when they match your task, or type your own query to jump straight to the command or function you need. Once you get used to this, you'll spend less time clicking through menus and more time getting work done.